What's up, guys? So tonight we're working on Matt's engine again. We've got the RB20 on the standstill, and we broke some exhaust studs while removing the manifold and turbo the first time around, so right now we're going to try and extract them. Alright guys, so here's the motor, and here's our problem, right here. You guys should be able to see that in there, how that's just broken off 3 or 4 threads inside. What we want to see is full studs like this, but instead we have 2 that just broke off clean like that. Now there's nothing to grab them with. So we've got an extractor set, and we're going to give that a shot. So the first step, we're going to use some PV Blaster to try and loosen them up before we actually start drilling on them with the left-handed drill bits. So with any luck, this will give it a better chance of pulling the stud out instead of just breaking it further or having to drill it all the way out and retap it. So we got this Titan extractor kit from O'Reilly's to try and get these out. It costs like 20 something bucks. It's not super expensive for a screw extractor kit, but hopefully it'll do the job. It's got left-handed drill bits as well as left-handed extractors, so that hopefully the drill bit will get it out by itself if it grabs hard enough, and if not, the extractor is meant to try and grab the remaining part of the stud.
Yeah, those are good.
That was solid.
And those are made.
So now we're going to take the extractor piece and put it in the hole that we just drilled. Hopefully it's going to grab it and twist it out after we hammer it in and put a wrench on it. There's almost no way this is going to work.
Is that as deep as it can go?
That is as deep as it will go right now. Oh my god, it's working. That is sketchily working, my friends. Oh, it really doesn't want to come out. I am really stoked that that grabbed that. As you saw, I am also really surprised. Alright, so it got that first one out pretty good. We're going to go for round 2, which is the second one, the more important one here at the end of the flange, and hope it does the same thing. Alright guys, that's the second one out. So we're all set. We got both of them out with the extractor set. So we're going to put Loctite on the stud before putting it in because we don't want to have a problem with these coming out like a couple of the other studs did. And then we're going to use 2 nuts tightened against each other to tighten the stud down into the block. After they're tightened against each other, you can turn the outer one with a wrench and it'll screw the stud farther in.